Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Good Mind Gyan. The topic today is matter and its composition, chemistry ICSE class 7. So let's go ahead. What is matter? Anything that occupies space and has mass and can be perceived by our physical senses is called matter. For example, take a book, okay? When you hold it, it has mass. When you keep it on the table, it has occupied space. And it can be perceived by our physical senses. Like you can see it, touch it, feel it, okay? So what are the physical senses? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. So any of the physical senses, it is called as matter. According to the Greek opinion, fire, water, air and earth are the basic building blocks of all materials. Pancha mahabhutas. You already know about the Pancha mahabhutas, that is the 5 elements which are found on the earth. Akash, that is sky, Vayu, air, Tejas, which is fire, Apa, which means water, and Kshiti, that is earth. These are the 5 elements which are also called as Pancha Mahabhutas. According to Indian Rishi Kanada, he called matter as Padartha and Anu as atom. So he said that all matter, irrespective of its physical state, okay, is composed of very small particles which are called as atom, that is Anu. What is an element? Element is defined as a substance which cannot be subdivided into 2 or more simpler substances by any chemical means, that is by any chemical methods. For example, if you take gold, that is aurum, Au, okay, you try to divide it, you will only find gold, okay, so it cannot be subdivided. It will remain the same when it is divided into 2 or more simpler substances. What is an atom? Atom is defined as the smallest unit of an element which may or may not have an independent existence but always takes part in a chemical reaction. Okay, so children, please remember, it is the smallest unit of an element. Like, let me give you an example. If you are building a building, okay, it is made up of bricks. That is, it starts from the bricks. Similarly, if you are having an element, it will be made up of atoms. So atom is the smallest unit of an element. What is a molecule? It is defined as the smallest unit of matter which has an independent existence and can retain complete physical and chemical properties of the matter. So there is a difference between atom and molecule. Here, molecule is defined as the smallest unit of matter. And remember one thing, that here we can retain the complete properties, both physical and chemical. There are a few examples of the existence of motion in molecules. One is perfume and the other is common salt in water. When a drop of perfume is placed in one corner of a closed room in which there is no motion of air, what you will find is in a few minutes the fragrance of the perfume will spread all over the room. So that suggests that the molecules of the perfume are in the state of continuous motion. The other example is of common salt in water. When you pour common salt in a glass of water and leave it undisturbed for few hours, the common salt will disappear. So what happens here? The molecules of the salt and the water are not in a state of motion, but there are a good intermolecular spaces between them. So it is because of the intermolecular spaces which are found in the molecules of water, the molecules of salt spread out in the water without raising the level of water. So these are two examples of the existence of motion in molecules. I hope you liked my video. If you have liked it, please share and comment. Thank you.